Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the world of weight loss? The promises of rapid transformation, the complex diet rules, and the grueling workout schedules can make lasting change feel impossible. But what if the secret to a healthier, leaner body isn't found in extremes? What if the real power lies in the small, almost effortless choices you make every single day? This guide is for women ready to step off the roller coaster and build health that lasts. Forget everything you think you know about sacrifice and struggle. We'll focus on simple habits and gentle progress, and the truth that a small step today is a big win tomorrow. May God bless you on this new path. This journey rests on 4 pillars: how you move, how you eat, how you sleep, and how you think. When you move your body, you crave better food. When you eat well, you sleep more deeply. When you sleep deeply, you think clearly and choose better. It's a beautiful, self-reinforcing system. Let's reframe exercise. It is not a punishment for what you ate. It is a celebration of what your body can do. The best exercise is the one you'll do consistently, so move in a way you enjoy. If you dread the treadmill, don't do it. Try a dance class, a hike, a walk with a friend, or even gardening. Begin with a starting point that's almost laughably easy. Start with 10 to 20 minutes of walking each day. Early on, the goal isn't intensity, it's consistency. After a week, add 5 minutes. Progress slowly to prevent burnout and injury. Add 2 short strength sessions per week. No gym required. Wall push-ups, bodyweight squats, and a steady plank build lean muscle. Muscle burns more calories at rest. It's an engine upgrade for your metabolism. Use habit stacking. After coffee, do 10 squats. After you take off your shoes, change and walk for 15 minutes. Automation beats motivation. The most powerful hook for healthy eating is this: eat real food. Real food comes from the earth or an animal. Think veggies, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains, packed with fiber, water, and nutrients. Processed foods strip fiber and add sugar and fats that bypass fullness signals. Fill half your plate with vegetables at lunch and dinner. Veggies add volume and fullness with fewer calories. Choose chicken, fish, beans, lentils, or eggs. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient. It helps you feel full longer and reduces urge to snack. For carbs, choose brown rice, quinoa, and oats over refined options. A smaller plate makes a normal portion look abundant. Eat slowly. Your fullness signal takes about 20 minutes. Make one small swap this week. Small changes add up. After you set your dinner plate, add a serving of green vegetables first. The healthy choice becomes the easy choice. Good sleep is not a luxury. It is a necessity for weight loss. Poor sleep can sabotage even the best diet and exercise plans. Sleep deprivation disrupts hormones. Ghrelin rises, leptin falls, fueling cravings and weakening resolve. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Even more important, consistency. Same sleep and wake times daily. Create a calming wind-down routine. Screens off, read a few pages and do gentle stretching. Keep your room dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid heavy meals, limit afternoon caffeine and late alcohol. After brushing your teeth, place your phone across the room. Better sleep fuels better workouts, better food choices, and a better day. Sleep is the foundation for all other healthy habits. Your body will only go where your mind leads it. Replace the inner critic with a kind, supportive coach. Not, I failed because I ate a cookie. Instead, I enjoyed a cookie, and I'm back on track next meal. Shift from judgment to observation. Build resilience. Large, distant goals discourage. Focus on process goals you control today. Walk 20 minutes 5 times this week. Include a vegetable with lunch daily. Plan for parties, holidays, and surprises. If I feel the urge to stress eat, I drink a glass of water, then walk 5 minutes. All or nothing is the enemy. One meal doesn't make or break you. The average over time matters. Ask, what's one good choice I can make right now? Each action is a vote for the person you're becoming. Let's bring it all together into a flexible daily plan. Alarm off, drink a full glass of water, then move for 5 minutes. Add lean protein at breakfast and a colorful vegetable at lunch. Plan a 10-minute walk after your midday meal. After dinner dishes, lay out tomorrow's workout clothes. An hour before bed, turn off screens and begin your wind-down routine. Track habits. Each night, write 3 things you did well. Build a chain of success you won't want to break. This isn't a race, it's falling in love with the process. Every small step is a victory. Celebrate it. Begin today. Not tomorrow, not next Monday. Right now. You can do this. May God bless you and keep you strong on your journey. If this helped, please subscribe for more simple, practical advice you'll actually use. And always check the description area for any free help we may offer.